Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's discussion topic is about the general physiology of digestive system, cardiovascular system and urinary system. In this video, I will discuss all the organs of these three different organ systems and their functions. First of all, start from digestive system physiology. If we see digestive system, it consists of a large number of organs like mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. And this digestive system is also known as gastrointestinal tract. First of all, start from first organ, that is mouth. Mouth is an organ of digestive system that's helpful in selection of food, grinding of food, carbohydrates digestion, and mixing of enzymes with food to form bolus. Now, come to esophagus. It is actually passage for transfer of bolus to the stomach. It also moistures the food because some mucus glands are present in esophagus that secrete some secretions that moisture the food. Next, the prominent organ of digestive system is stomach. Stomach consists of two types of tissues. One is the muscular tissue and the second one is glandular tissues. If we see the functioning of muscular tissues, so muscles, as you know, contract and relax. So the contraction and relaxation of muscular tissues mixes food with the gastric juice. Glandular tissues secrete the gastric juice, and you know what is the gastric juice? Gastric juice is actually the sum of three types of secretions like mucus, hydrochloric acid, and the enzyme pepsin. And both of these tissues have the collective function, that is protein digestion. So the collective function of stomach is protein digestion. Now, come to the small intestine. Small intestine contains three parts. The first part is duodenum, next is the jejunum, and next comes the ileum. First of all, we see duodenum. Duodenum is involved in protein digestion because here an enzyme is released that's involved in protein digestion, and this enzyme is trypsin. Secondly, emulsification of fats is another function of duodenum because some chemicals like bile is excreted from bile and it's excreted out into the duodenum, that's involved in the emulsification of fats. Next is the jejunum, where further digestion of food takes place, and it also acts as passage for the transport of food from duodenum to the ileum. And the third important part of small intestine is ileum, that's involved in absorption of food. Now, next is the large intestine. Large intestine also contains three parts. First one is the cecum, second is colon, and third one is rectum. Cecum is involved in fluids and salts absorptions. Next is the colon, that's involved in the reabsorption of water and nutrients. And the third part is rectum, that stores the feces. And the last point of digestive system is anus, from where feces are excreted out of the body. I hope this video will be useful for you, but the length of this video is increasing. That's why I am dividing this lecture into two parts, and inshallah I will share the link of the general physiology of uh, cardiovascular system and urinary system in description. So a small request that if you have not subscribed Pakidu.tv, so you should subscribe it and press bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you so much.